Hey guys, Rich Bassini here, your YouTube vlogger and creator. I hope you could stick around because I want to share some information with you guys. I was doing a little research today on views, why my videos get a little views, and I typed up in Google search, and in the Google search I typed in there, why are my YouTube videos getting very little views? And the information that came up was from Filmora. And the story, well, I should say the title for Filmora, and I'm going to drop the link below, okay, is 10 reasons why your YouTube videos have 0 views and a solution. Now, I want to reach out to Filmora and Richard Bennett for putting this together. I believe he's the one who inputted that information, so I want to say thank you to him. He is a YouTube expert. Reading about him, if you click his name on, it'll give you some information about him. And really good information, really good. So what I did was, I copied that information there, I put it on my video, I made a video clip out of it, and it's with read aloud. So, you could sit there and read, listen to it. If you don't want to listen to the woman reading it, you could always mute the video, okay, if you choose to do so. Also, you might want to keep a pen and pad with you as to where you heard the information from, okay. But I will drop the link for the Filmora 13 download, and also for this video here for 10 reasons why your videos are getting 0 views. So you're covered either way. All right, so don't go anywhere. I'm going to play the clip.
10 reasons why your YouTube videos has 0 views and solution. Many content creators wonder why they have 0 views YouTube. Everyone wants tons of people to watch their YouTube videos when they upload them on their channel. This guide will go through some of the reasons why your videos are not gaining any views. We will also explain how you can fix each problem so that your YouTube videos can amass views. How many videos on YouTube have 0 views? According to PEX, around 90% of videos people upload on their YouTube channels never reach 1,000 views. For a video sharing site that gets more than 5 billion views daily, it is surprising that a high percentage of the uploaded videos never reach the target audience. 10 reasons why your YouTube videos have 0 views and solutions. If you're asking yourself, why do my videos have 0 views YouTube? We have got you covered. Here are 10 reasons that might be causing this. 1. Your YouTube video thumbnail is not catchy. A video thumbnail is the first thing your audience will see on search results. It allows viewers to see a quick snapshot of a video while browsing YouTube. For these reasons, it plays a role in helping you get more views on YouTube. Titles and thumbnails are like billboards, as they help viewers determine if they will watch your videos on YouTube. A well-designed thumbnail and a video title will undoubtedly attract more followers to your channel. In turn, more people will watch your videos. Additionally, this will make your content appealing to many YouTube advertisers. Most of the YouTube videos with 0 views do not have an image or thumbnail that is eye-catching. Therefore, viewers can end up skipping over them. How to fix it? Create contrasting, engaging thumbnails for your YouTube videos to get more views. Avoid selecting screenshots from your video as your thumbnail picture. Instead, make sure you use high-quality and high-resolution images for your thumbnails. 2. You are not consistent. Consistency gives your audience, subscribers, and viewers reason to be thrilled about your next YouTube video. If you are consistent, your audience will always know what they will get. Failing to show consistency will see your viewers count dropping significantly. Your subscribers won't know when you'll be posting your next video on your channel. What's more, failing to upload videos regularly may damage your ranking on YouTube. YouTube algorithm keeps channels that upload videos regularly and those that are consistent on top. How to fix it? Decide when and what you'll be publishing videos and stick to it. Be sure to stay with the relative niche and be clear on what kind of YouTube videos you'll be creating and uploading. In turn, you will increase the probability of YouTube's algorithm picking your channel quickly. 3. Low-quality videos. Videos with the most views on YouTube are of high quality. Viewers do not like watching videos with poor audio and video quality. That makes it a crucial factor you need to consider before uploading YouTube videos. How to fix it. Use Filmora to create high-quality YouTube videos. This software improves the quality of videos with low resolution. The tool can remove the shakiness in your video to make it look professional. You can also adjust white balance, 3D LUT, brightness, contrast, and tone. You can improve the quality of your audio by adjusting the pitch, fade out, fade in, and output volume. The best part is, Filmora allows you to remove the background noises and add overlays, filters, and transitions to your videos. Try it free. For Win 7 or later, 64-bit. Try it free. For Mac OS 10.12 or later. 4. You are not making the content that your audience wants. A high percentage of YouTube videos with 0 views is that the content isn't for your audience. A YouTube channel can only grow when it is getting niche visitors to watch its videos. For that reason, the viewers watching your YouTube videos have to be interested in the niche of your video to allow your channel to grow naturally. If the videos you create are not for your audience, you'll get 0 views. YouTube never, as you'll not build subscribers. Your current subscribers will also stop watching your videos because they believe they won't do anything for them. How to fix it. You need to choose your niche and analyze your viewers to find out what topics they are interested in. YouTube Analytics can help you find out which topics are trending. You can also get the details of interesting topics, enabling you to create relevant content for your target audience. 5. Not responding to your audience. Engaging with your audience will create trust. If you do not respond to your viewers, they might stop watching your videos. And your future videos could end up with 0 views. How to fix it. Be active on your channel, community, and other social media channels. Reply in the comment section, and this will make sure the videos you upload next will get views. 6. Your videos are not optimized. You can't just upload your videos and expect millions of views without doing anything. If you look at a random YouTube video with 0 views, you'll likely find it is not optimized. YouTube optimization can help to take your videos an extra step further. How to fix it. If you want your videos to get views, you have to do optimization with the factors below. Channel design, SEO, search volume, keywords, target niche and viewers, custom thumbnails. The most successful YouTubers constantly implement the above YouTube optimization methods. Input relevant keywords and titles for your videos. Using online tools to optimize your videos and channel with the latest techniques will help you earn YouTube views. YouTube optimization tools can find the best keywords to use on your videos. 7. You didn't use the right tags. Always follow YouTube SEO optimization methods and never leave the tag section blank. When you use tags, make sure you choose the right ones. YouTube works just like Google. Viewers enter a keyword for the YouTube video they are searching for, and it lists down the videos that best match the keyword. The more relevant YouTube thinks your videos are, the higher they will be positioned in the rank. Videos in the top pages of YouTube's search engine earn the most views, and YouTube videos with 0 views will often appear at the lowest portion. How to fix it. Insert the specific keyword tags first when creating video tags. YouTube's search engine prioritizes the first tag. You can use any YouTube optimization tool to make tags. After that, you can now enter the other video tags types, including generic tags and compound tags. 8. Your YouTube videos don't provide any value to your audience. Value is an essential part of being a content creator. It's also a vital aspect of recognizing what you are bringing to the table in the viewer to YouTube relationship. Viewers will come to your channel if they have a reason to watch the videos you upload, whether for information or entertainment purposes. Before you upload a video, take a step back and ask yourself, will people love it? How to fix it. Make sure you create value-rich content that your audience will find useful. Have a clear goal before you start making a video. There are always people who lack the knowledge you have, and they would love to learn it from you. Think about what your audience is looking for when they come to YouTube and provide them with what they need. Do not forget to look for trending topics, searchable topics within your niche, and related topics. Your videos should answer all the questions your viewers have. They should also provide an exhilarating experience. 9. You are not sharing your videos on your social channels. Social media platforms are a powerful tool that helps YouTubers get more visitors to their channel. In turn, your video will get views. If you do not share your videos on your social media platform, none of your friends and followers will know about it, and you can end up having 0 views YouTube. How to fix it? You can get YouTube views from social media platforms like subreddits, Facebook, Instagram, Quora, and more. Be sure to follow the terms and conditions of these platforms. You can also self-promote your videos on these platforms to get views. However, you should avoid spamming your YouTube videos in a community for the forum you belong to. 10. You are not patient. Most YouTubers fail because they are not patient enough to run their channel. They upload a video and want it to get views immediately. If you're serious about making videos on YouTube, you need patience and determination. If you continue uploading videos consistently, they will get views. How to fix it? Once you post your videos, give them some time to see if people will view them. Allow your videos to settle in the YouTube algorithm and search engine, and you'll see the magic soon. Conclusion. These are the main reasons your videos have 0 views YouTube and their solutions. Remember, the quality of your videos can affect your YouTube view count. Use Filmora to create HD videos that will attract more viewers.